Here is exactly where to click to change your thumbnail and the mistake that makes it not update.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video.
First of all, go to studio.youtube.com and navigate to your channel. Here I am on the YouTube studio and navigate to the left side of the screen to find the content. Here you will find all the content, you know that, and find the video that you want to change the thumbnail of. So here I found my video that I want to change thumbnail of. Scroll down and to the thumbnail section and tap on three dot, and here you will see change it to change the YouTube thumbnail. Download it if you want to download the previous thumbnail, and select from video. If you want to make any frame of the video as a thumbnail, you can do that. If you have multiple thumbnail, you can A/B test, or you can choose A/B testing, but here you are for to change. So tap on the change and select your thumbnail operating. After you change, all you have to do now is tap on this save icon on the top right corner. That's how you change a thumbnail on YouTube Studio.